Shell Helix Ultra ECT C2 C3 0W30 is our most advanced motor oil with Pure Plus technology. A revolutionary process converting natural gas to amazingly pure synthetic base oil, virtually free of impurities. It's designed for the latest diesel and gasoline engines, delivering superior performance and protection. ECT C2 C3 is one of Shell's most widely approved engine oils, exceeding the latest industry specifications and manufacturer requirements. It incorporates Shell's ultimate active cleansing technology, seeking out and helping to remove sludge so that your engine can perform at its best. Use of inferior oils may lead to sludge buildup, which can reduce performance and responsiveness. ECT C2 C3 with Pure Plus technology provides unsurpassed sludge protection. No other motor oil cleans your engine better. Everyday driving can lead to deposits on pistons and rings, which can cause them to stick, increasing wear, oil and fuel consumption. With 45% cleaner pistons than the latest industry standard, ECT C2 C3 helps to protect your engine and maximize its working life. Our latest formulation provides up to 2.6% better fuel economy. For a vehicle that typically travels 640 kilometers on a full tank of fuel, ECT C2 C3 with Pure Plus technology could deliver an extra 16 kilometers over the industry reference oil. It also provides up to 4 times better wear protection and 3 times better corrosion protection than the industry standard, helping to extend engine life. ECT C2 C3 0W30 features exceptional low temperature performance versus conventional oil and even Ultra ECT 5W-30, delivering fast oil flow for quicker engine warm-up. Built on Shell's revolutionary Pure Plus technology, ECT C2 C3 is designed for the most advanced engines. As one of the most widely approved engine oils on the market, it enables better fuel economy, cleaner engines and tougher protection. Shell Helix Ultra ECT C2 C3 0W30. Our best formula yet.
Ecco, tanica completamente rotta, l'hanno avvolta con del nylon, quindi sicuramente l'ultima volta non mi era arrivata così, già era rotta e lo sapevano.